Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another video from Tech It Simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Lowe. So, let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in corporate.com/midauser. You will be taken to the official website of Lowe. In this homepage, click on Current Associate. You will be taken to the login portal of Lowe. Over here, in the left corner, you can see the login portal. Enter the sales number of your account and in the password box, enter your password. Once you do that, click on the login button. You will be logged into your account on Lowe. And in case if you guys forgot your login credentials, you can contact the support team of Lowe and from there, you will be allowed to reset your login credentials. So, that is how you can log into your Lowe account. That's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like. And please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon for the latest videos. Drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.